All right, 8.6 review. This one is all about area, and the formula for area of a circle is right here. So that is the one that we're going to be using. Jessie wants to paint the top of the table shown. What is the approximate area that she will paint? Use 3.14 for pi, round to the nearest whole number of inches. So if the formula is area equals pi times the radius square, there are some things we know here. We don't know the area. The value of pi that they asked us to use is 3.14. And then the radius, we actually don't know. We know that the diameter is 78, but radius is only half of that. So half of 78 would be 39? 39 times 39 squared. Okay. Now here's a problem that people have sometimes, and I have it too, especially when I'm doing these really fast, is I want to just move left to right, and I want to multiply these two and then square it. No. You need to do exponents before you do your multiplication. So the first thing we need to do is 39 times 39, which is a lot. It is 1,521. So 3.14 times 1,521. I'm going to multiply that by 3.14, and I end up getting 4,775.94. They asked us to round it to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number is this digit. So we're going to look at the number next to it. Since the number next to it is larger than 5, we're going to round this up to a 6. So the answer is 4,776 inches, and its area, so that's how many tiny little squares it would take to fill the entire thing. Just here, that's 78 across. So that is our final area. Hopefully I'm right. Question 2. What is the diameter of a circle? Let me change the thickness on this. What is the diameter of a circle with an area of 113.04 square centimeters? So we're looking for the diameter. The diameter is all the way across. The formula for area of a circle is pi r square. The area is 113.04. The value of pi they want us to use is 3.14. Okay. So I really want the r to be by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3.14. 113.04 divided by 3.14 is 36. So what number times itself is 36? The answer is 6. And these are centimeters again, but they weren't asking us for the radius, they were asking us for the diameter. So if halfway across the circle is 6, all the way across the circle is 12. Good. Okay, last one. The distance around a circular park is 88 yards. What is the area of the park? Use 22/7. So it's another area question. Can I move that up? Okay. So all the way around is 88 yards. The formula is pi r square. What is the area of the park? What? The distance around a circular park. Oh my gosh, you know what? That's the circumference. The circumference is 88 yards. Oh boy. Okay, let's talk about this. So circumference is 2 pi r. We know that the C is 88. Gosh, there's always lots of ways you can do these, right? I think this time what I'm going to do, 2 times 22 is 44. Oops, that's supposed to be an equals. 2 times 22 is 44. 44 over 7 times r. To get r by itself, I want to do the opposite of multiplying by 44, which is dividing by 44. And I want to do the opposite of dividing by 7, which is multiplying by 7. So this 44 cancels this 44. This 7 cancels this 7. So if we multiply both sides by 744, like that, 44 and 88 are easy to reduce. 44 goes into 44 once, 44 goes into 88 twice. 7 times 2 is 14, so the radius is 14. Okay, so the radius of the circle is 14, so to find the area, you gotta multiply 14 times itself, which I think is 196. Probably I should check it, but we all know I'm just gonna follow this up with another video and say I've made a huge mistake. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight across. 22 times 196 divided by 7 is 616. So I think that the answer is 616 yards squared. Okay, I'm going to push pause, and if I don't come back, that means I was right. Okay, I'm back. But it's not because I'm back to tell you that I messed up on something. It's back because I'm right.